All right, so we're out on the water here in Oceanside. We don't have that much sunlight. Sun sets in the next 45 minutes. It takes us maybe 10 minutes to get out to Buck Pipe. That is where we're headed. We're gonna be throwing plastics, lures, a little bit of everything. Brought the fish finder with me. It's been a while since I've been out on the Scout, but yeah, looking forward to it. I will keep you posted. See you out there.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. I don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your arms. I'll make sure that you won't ever feel lonely no more. Whatever past we have, the future we will see.